Hey, Bobby, remember that time we came to a waterfall, walked like 45 minutes just for it to be a baby stream?
Oh, it was wonderful. I loved it. I was very much enthralled by the presence of the falls.
Oh yeah, he was. Oh yeah, he was. Wow. There it is. A beautiful waterfall. It in all of its glory. Time for this bro to get him some food. Beautiful neighborhood. Festival. Good weed, good vibes, good ties. See that in there? Oh, action. Look at this shit, guys. In your face. I saw it, you did it. Now you get to see it from me. You're welcome. Crossing?
No, we're gonna turn down here.
Ah, damn, this place is beautiful. Beautiful golden. Wonderful people. Free clothes.
Bro, I don't think they can hear you without a mic.
It's a bomb-ass hotel room, you know? Oh, it is. Lied to me, trying to kill me. Got 107 seconds. This motherfucker. Ooh, man, it's hot out today. No, it's actually cool. It's a lot cooler than it usually is. This fucking guy, dude. What did I do? Bastard. Yeah, man, you got me done. You got me done. You got 150 seconds. Wait, I'm gonna die.
She almost hit some lady crossing through the traffic light anyway on the motorcycle.
It was all types of chaos. I don't know where it stopped filming.
I don't know where to start.
I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready at all. Not one bit. Not today. Not tomorrow.
I see you're all jacked up on adrenaline.
I got food in me now. I'm fucking no longer. What up, boo?
What?
I bet you she'll still charge me, even though she wants my babies. Shut up! I charge you to shut the fuck up. Hurry, bro! You got 130 seconds. Ah, graffiti. That's the good stuff.
empanadas, bro.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pin the spot now.
First thing on the menu.
They won't pin it.
Swear to God.
She was literally making the pants, bro. She was making that Versace. Right there, sewing the tag on and everything.
About that life.
About that life.
Not the Kodiak Express.
That's the Kodak Black.